Now, Kenya is deepening trade reforms to boost cross-border trade. Speaking in Mombasa during the opening of the 5-day review workshop on the implementation of WTO Category C measures, Trade Principal Secretary Regina Ombam urged the National Trade Facilitation Committee to go beyond technical reviews and engage the political class, emphasizing that goodwill is essential for the successful execution of trade facilitation measures. Now, she called on the committee to ensure that the country's progress aligns with WTO's global target of reducing trade costs by at least 14%.
We are looking at the increment of share of African exports as percentage of global trade from 3 to 4%, and in terms of value from 500 billion Kenyan shillings to 600 billion Kenyan shillings. If it is intra-African trade compared to like European Union, which is at 69-70% intra-EU trade, we are looking at how we can get to 20% from where we are at 16%.
Really the ease of doing business, really ensuring that trade costs are minimized, because the WTO Trade Facilitation Agreement had actually even put a target that they're expecting by the time you finish all those categories, the trade costs should have gone down by 14%. So we need to start checking where are we at when it comes to those trade costs.